Hey there, fellow money managers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to Venmo yourself. If you've ever wondered how to move money from your Venmo account to your bank or another spot, you're in the right place. Venmo is that awesome app for quick peer-to-peer payments, but sometimes you just need to get your funds back to you. Let's walk through this step by step so you can do it in no time. First off, why would you want to Venmo yourself? Maybe you're selling something online and want to transfer earnings to your personal bank, or perhaps you're just testing the app. Whatever the reason, it's a straightforward process, but remember, Venmo doesn't allow direct transfers to yourself within the same account for security reasons. Instead, we'll focus on transferring money from Venmo to your linked bank account. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store and sign up. It's free and quick. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, usually in the top left or bottom right, and select Manage Balance, or simply go to your main balance screen. Here, you'll see your available funds. Step 3. Look for the option that says Transfer to Bank or Withdraw. Select that, and you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to move. Double-check the figure to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Choose your linked bank account from the list. If you haven't linked one yet, you'll need to add it now. It's secure and only takes a minute. Once selected, review the transfer details, including any potential fees, and hit Confirm. And just like that, your money is on its way. Transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. Pro tip: keep an eye out for any transaction fees, especially if you're in a hurry and opt for instant transfer. Also, always double-check recipient details to prevent errors. There you have it, Venmoing yourself made simple. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.